Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing from Sips By, which is a monthly tea subscription. And these are my August teas. So I'll look at the back of this when we get done, but it tells you all about the tea inside your box. They always send me a mix of bag tea and loose leaf tea. Because I have loose leaf tea, we always get these fillable bags in here. And I was thinking about something. I saw on like a Facebook ad where you can get like a boba tea kit, and that would be so cool if they sent you like a little sample so you can make a boba tea, which apparently is quite a process. You have to boil it for like 20 to 25 minutes and turn it off, let it sit for 20 minutes, and then you got to rinse it, and then you can't really store it. It's like a whole thing, but I know that's like really popular right now and it's good. So that would be awesome if they ever included something like that in this box. Maybe they will in the future. But here's my first tea. It's by Stash, and this is Meyer Lemon, and this one is caffeine free. Also have, there's always 4, so here's 4. Florida Chai, organic Yupon holly tea. Probably didn't say that right. Cool packaging though. It says it's a twist on a timeless classic. Nice. We have some loose leaf tea from Chez Lulu. And this has green tea, vanilla flavor, tea flowers, and sunflower petals. And this is low caffeine, and it has the steeping instructions on the back. And then the last one is also a loose leaf tea, Steep Society. Again, cool packaging. And this is a Chinese black tea, high caffeine. And then if we look at the card, I always get a good mix of caffeine. So your box could look totally different because you do fill out a profile, let them know what kind of teas you like and don't like. But yes, I have caffeine free, low caffeine. This just says contains caffeine, and then high caffeine. So if you guys would like to sign up for a subscription, I have all their information below in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.